What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another tech video. All right, and I know I just got this yesterday, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I know this is the new hotness. All right, but let's put the Pixel 9 Pro Fold to the side for just a moment. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, that's the Poetic case, the Poetic Spartan case. I don't have a normal screen protector or anything, so I had to go out and use the Poetic case. All right, but anyway, it's not about that. Back to the slab. We're back on the slab for just a moment. All right, S24 Ultra. And here are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. All right, just got these in today. They were on back order, I believe, because there was a defect with the ear tips. I believe they said that the ear tips were falling off. So Samsung recalled them, made the fix, and now they are out here. All right. This product contains a button cell or coin battery. Death or serious injury can occur if ingest. Who's eating earbuds? Who's eating? Why is this message? Chemical internal. Who's putting earbuds in their mouth? What in the world? Okay, so don't eat earbuds, or you could die. All right, don't do that. All right, so Bluetooth buds. Let's go ahead and get into them, man. Let's pull them out. Man, I didn't think there would be such a warning on some earbuds. Like, don't eat these. Are people putting earbuds in their mouth? What is happening? All right, go ahead and shake these on out. All right, so that explains your fit. What's back here? All right, pull this out. This will be your charge cable. All right, so there is, let me see, USB to USB-C cords, and there are your different ear tips right there. And then we'll put that to the side. Normally the standards fit my ears pretty good. I got some big ears, so I usually don't have to worry about switching to different tips. Put that in there, back how I found it. Slide that up. All right, this says, find the perfect fit. Place the buds in your ear, rotating if needed. All right, for a comfortable, secure fit. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro includes extra ear tips to customize your fit. Look for them with the USB cable. All right, that's what I just showed you there. Pair with your mobile device. So of course I could pair these with any of the devices that I have here. If I wanted to turn on the original Pixel Fold, I could pair these with them. If I wanted to pair it with the OnePlus Open, I could pair it with them. If I wanted to pair it with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, I could pair it with them. With that being said, I don't want to pair it with any of those. That's why we have the slab here. That's why we have the S24 Ultra, so that I can pair it with the proper device. All right, I like to keep the accessories and all the products that are supposed to be together. All right, but anyway, I'm rambling. Here are the buds. All right, I went with the gray, so let's take those out, put that over there. And here they are. I think those look pretty nice, man. I like this, the switch up. That's pretty nice looking right there. You know what? As far as aesthetics, Samsung has really stepped it up this year to me. I don't know if it's because I haven't used Samsung devices much lately, but their watch, the phone, the earbuds, they look a lot better, like especially compared to these. These are the Buds Pro 2. All right. Especially compared to these were legit. These are legit. I'm not gonna front. These are definitely legit. But as far as looks are concerned, they look kind of basic. All right, I'm not gonna lie about that. They look kind of basic. Put those there. By the way, I'm trading these in. That's another good thing about Samsung. Samsung even does a trade-in program with their earbuds. Like, Google doesn't do that. I don't know if Apple does. I haven't bought an Apple device in a few years, but Google doesn't do that. I'm looking at their earbuds. I was like, okay, maybe I'll buy them if I can trade in my Pixel Buds Pro. Nope, can't trade them in. All right, but Samsung says, you know what? We'll give you $100 for those. Cool. Let's rock and roll with that. Let's do that. So open it up. I like the translucent color, that black. And we open them up. So let's turn the S24 Ultra around. And there they are. That simple. You see that? Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. A new device has been found and will connect. Just like that. Simple. Simple. And they're already connected. Downloading software update. 31 megabytes. Your phone will use, oh, okay. It was so quick that I didn't even get to read all that. All right, so I agree to get the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro software updates automatically. Yep. And then turn on adaptive noise control to adjust. Okay. Voice and siren detection for your safety and to make conversation easier. You can turn on ambient sound automatically when you start speaking or a siren is detected. After auto detection, you can pinch an earbud to end ambient sound immediately. You're all set. That quick, we're rocking and rolling. All right. Raphael's, that's me. Raphael's Buds 3 Pro. Got 100% on the buds themselves, 58% on the case. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in. Here's how they look. Here's how they look. All right. Nice. We got a stem now. And if I'm not mistaken, they have a light. Like, this is a light going down here. Okay. So this one, it helps you know which one is which also. So the left earbud is the blue, and then the right, and it's, you know, same as in the case. Put it back in the case. You have the blue for the left, and then the orange for the right earbud. All right. And then on the bottom, this is your pairing button, USB-C charge port. Okay. And then as you can see, your battery indicator there. So since everything is good to go, we're getting that green. All right. So let me go ahead and put this in my ear. See how that feels. Yeah. I feel just like I expected. Just like I expected. Comfortable. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put the right one in too. Comfortable. Comfortable. Perfect. Just how I expected them to look. All right. This looks great. Or this feels great. Excuse me. It doesn't, I can't see how it looks, but feels great in the ear. All right. Let me turn on some music. Let me get a quick sample. So we got them both in. And then let's see. I don't want to listen to this Super Mario song. I know that the LL Cool J just dropped a new album. Where's the LL at? Let me find the new LL. There it is. Let's see. Let me turn on some LL for just a minute. Okay. Okay. This is me nodding my head. You're seeing the camera move. This is me nodding my head. New LL Cool J album just dropped. All right. That beat is jamming. All right. The bass sounds pretty good, and it's not even up loud. The bass sounds really good. Let me turn it up louder. Wow. That bass. Okay, these get pretty loud. These get pretty loud. These get pretty loud. It was already good at just the standard, like at just the regular way that it is. But then when you turn the volume up a little bit louder, that bass is that bass is knocking. Okay, LL spitting. LL spitting. Okay. I'm gonna have to listen further to this album. I'm liking what I'm hearing right there. All right, so let me see if I can show you how they look in ear. This is how the earbuds look in ear. All right, this is the left ear. All right, this is how they look in ear. And then let's go around to the other side. Here is the right ear. All right, just so y'all can see how they fit. They're sitting in my ear nice and comfortable. I'm having no problem with that. And I like the look of those buds. All right. But anyway, I just wanted to bring you a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 3. And I'm going to test these out. I'm going to see how they are. I don't really know what more testing I can do. I mean, jamming the LL Cool J right here. Let me go to something that I know. You know what I'm saying? This LL, that was a quick test, but let me go to something that I know be jamming. Let me go to, I could turn on some Me. You know what I'm saying? If y'all looking for something to listen to, that's my album right there. My last album, No Flows Barred. You know what I mean? Released in 2020, right there. Let me get a little bit closer for you. Raphael Marquise, if y'all are wanting to check that out, you know, go ahead and check it out. But anyway, let me turn on, let me not turn that on. Let me turn on, give me, yeah, let me get some Schoolboy Q. Something I know got some thump to it. Yeah. I've been jamming this song a lot lately. Yeah. Me no conversate with the fake. That part, I'm independent. That part, I just want the paper. That part. That part, that part, that part, that part. Ayy. That part. Okay, okay. The bass sounds good. I actually think that the bass sounded better on the LL song. I don't know what the difference would be. It's coming from the same player, but the LL thumped a little bit harder. So maybe that song just has more bass in it. Let me turn the Schoolboy up a little bit more. Yeah, it's still jamming, man. It's still jamming either way. So, I mean, you're not going to go wrong with these at all. You can't go wrong with these. I'm going to do some more testing. I want to make some phone calls with some people, see how I sound to them, see how they sound to me through the earbuds, go outside, take a walk, live with them for a little bit, and then I'll report back to you with my findings, let you all know exactly what I think. But just out the box, first impressions wise, I would say these are definitely an improvement over these. And I really like these. I really like the Buds Pro 3. All right. But just off of the look and the feel and the sound, everything, I think the total package, I'm giving the edge to the new boys. But let me live with them for a little bit. And then I'm going to come back to you with my findings. All right. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.